Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Firefox browser on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to install Firefox browser, just open the default browser, that is Microsoft Edge browser, and search for Firefox. Let me tell you that Firefox browser is the best free and open source browser for Windows computer. Now to download Firefox, simply open the link from mozilla.org. Don't worry about the download link. I will provide the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Firefox browser. Here you can check out some of the latest features. Now to download, simply click on this download Firefox option, or you can also click on download button here. So here you can see Firefox installer file has been downloaded. Now simply open this installer file. Here you can see Firefox browser is installing. So let me minimize the browser. It will automatically install and get launched on your Windows 11 computer. So here we have our Firefox browser. Let me maximize this window. Here we have an option to add Firefox browser on the taskbar. If you want to add Firefox on your taskbar, then simply click on Pin to Taskbar. And here we have an option to make this as a default browser. And here we have an option to import password and bookmark from other browser. So if you have any other browser used, then you can simply click on this option to import your data. And here we have an option to choose color. So let me keep it auto, then click on save color. So this is the interface of Firefox browser. So this way you can install Firefox browser on your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.